Hey everyone, my name is Noah Moore and I'm here to talk to you about online tutoring. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge, connect with students and maybe even earn a little income on the side. But like any job, it comes with its own unique set of challenges. Welcome to our guide on overcoming challenges in online tutoring. We're diving into three major areas: tackling technical difficulties, keeping students engaged and managing your time effectively. Because let's be real, sometimes the Wi-Fi just doesn't cooperate, and sometimes it's not the Wi-Fi. It's that your student is more interested in counting the ceiling tiles than conjugating verbs. Let's be honest, the single biggest hurdle in the online world is, well, the online world itself. Nothing throws a wrench in your well-planned lesson like a sudden internet outage or a software meltdown. But fear not, intrepid educators, because tech issues, while annoying, are not insurmountable. The key here is preparation and having a plan B, and maybe even a plan C. Always have a backup plan for internet outages. Consider having a mobile hotspot as a backup option for your internet connection. Additionally, familiarize yourself with using your smartphone as a hotspot. Sometimes a simple refresh or restarting your router can work wonders. Next up, software glitches. Often, simply having the latest version of the software you're using can prevent most problems. Encourage your students to do the same. If a lesson gets interrupted, don't panic. Have a pre-recorded lesson on hand that students can access asynchronously. It's about having the tools and strategies in place to handle them gracefully and minimize disruptions to your students' learning experience. Okay, so you've conquered the tech demons, you're feeling good, your internet connection is a champion, and then it happens. You see it in their eyes, that glazed over look, the telltale signs of a student who is definitely not present, at least not mentally, in your virtual classroom. Student engagement, that elusive beast, can be tricky enough in a traditional classroom setting, but don't despair. There are ways to combat the online attention drain and keep your students actively engaged. The first step is identifying the signs of disengagement. Are they constantly looking away from the screen? Do they seem distracted or fidgety? Are they giving one-word answers or avoiding participation? Once you've recognized the signs, it's time to switch gears. One highly effective approach is incorporating interactive elements into your lessons. Online quizzes, polls, and games can do wonders for boosting engagement. Think Kahoot, Quizlet Live, or even simple online whiteboard games. Another strategy is to personalize your content. Get to know your students' interests and tailor your examples and activities accordingly. Juggling multiple students, each with their own unique needs and schedules, can feel like a Herculean feat. While online tutoring offers incredible flexibility, it's important to establish boundaries and manage your time effectively to avoid burnout. Because a burnt-out tutor is about as useful as a chocolate teapot. The first rule of online tutoring time management: thou shalt not overschedule. It's tempting, I know, but setting realistic limits on the number of students and hours you take on is crucial. Use a scheduling tool, whether it's a fancy app or a simple spreadsheet, to keep track of your appointments, deadlines, and availability. This will help you avoid double bookings and ensure you have adequate time between sessions to recharge and prepare. Don't forget to schedule breaks, I'm serious. Just like in a regular workday, breaks are essential for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. By setting boundaries, prioritizing tasks, and utilizing scheduling tools, you can create a sustainable and rewarding online tutoring experience for both you and your students. So there you have it, our crash course on conquering the challenges of online tutoring. We've covered everything from battling tech gremlins and engaging easily distracted students to taming the wild beast that is time management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Remember, like any worthwhile endeavor, online tutoring has its hurdles, but with the right strategies and a dash of resilience, you can create a rewarding and impactful experience for both you and your students. Happy tutoring.